Hello my dear students, in this class we are going to learn about subtraction. What is subtraction and which is the symbol for subtraction? Do you know? Subtraction means take away a small number from big number is called subtraction. And which is the symbol for subtraction? Minus. Minus is the symbol for subtraction. Let us learn about subtraction by stories.
Rosie gave chilies to her parrot. There are 7 chilies. 1 chili ate by parrot. How many chilies are left? Let's find out that. Rosie gave 7 chilies to her parrot. The parrot ate 1 chili. Now we have to find out how many chilies are left. Let's find out. So remember, when how many are left, how many remain, means we have to subtract the numbers in the question. In the first, there are 7 chilies. 1 chili ate by parrot. There are 6 chilies left. So there are 6 chilies in. So let us see another example. Here on this scarecrow, there are 9 birds sitting. One by one, there are 5 birds flew away. How many birds are remain? Let's find out that. There are 9 birds sitting on the scarecrow. 5 birds flew away. How many birds are left on the scarecrow? So we have to subtract 5 from 9. Let us find out how many birds are left. So first there are 9 birds and 5 birds flew away. So 4 birds are left. There are 4 birds left on the scarecrow. Let us see another example. We are now in airport. In the airport, there are 4 aeroplanes. One by one, 2 aeroplanes take off. So, how many aeroplanes are remain now? Let us find out. There are 4 aeroplanes. One by one, 2 planes take off. How many aeroplanes remain? 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So, 2 aeroplanes left in the air.
Students, have you understand about the subtraction? So, let us solve some problems on subtraction. Subtract the following. Here we have to subtract 2 from these 5. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಎರಡನ್ನ 5ರಿಂದ ಕಳಿಬೇಕು. Let us subtract. So this is 5. We have to subtract or remove 2 from this 5. Right. So I will remove 2. 1, 2. How many fingers left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are left, right? So 5 minus 2 is 3. Then here we have to subtract 4 from this 8. Let us subtract. This is 8 and we have to remove 4 from this 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers left? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means when we subtract 4 from 8, we get 4. And here we have to subtract 3 from this 9. This is 9. We have to remove 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get 6. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Like this, take away a small number from big number is called subtraction. In each addition fact, there are 2 subtraction facts. So, subtraction is called as inverse method of addition. Let us learn inverse method with example. 4 plus 3. When we add 3 to this 4, how much we get, students? 7. Right. So, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now we have to apply inverse method for this equation. Okay. When we subtract 4 from this 7, we get 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. And when we subtract 3 from this 7, we get 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. This is what we call inverse method. Let us solve some more problems on this inverse method. 6 plus 4, how much? That is 10. Right. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Now we have to apply inverse method for this equation. When we subtract 6 from this 10, we get 4. 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. And when we subtract 4 from this 10, we get 6. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. This is inverse method. Then 4 plus 9, that is 13. Now we have to apply inverse method for this equation. So first we have to subtract 4 from this 13. Then we get this 9. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. And now we have to subtract 9 from this 13. Then we get this 4. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. And here 6 plus 5, that is 11. Now we have to apply inverse method for this equation. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. And we have to subtract 5 from this 11. Then we get this 6. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Like this, using inverse method, we can solve these problems. Fill in the blanks. If we add dash to 5, we get 7. Which number should be added to 5? We get 7. To solve this problem, we have to use inverse method. Okay. Dash plus 5 is equal to 7. We have to use inverse method for this equation. That means 7 minus 5 is equal to. Subtract this 5 from this 7. 7. We have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much we get? 2. So, 7 minus 5 is 2. So 2 should be added to 5. We get 7. And here if we add dash to 2, we get 6. That means which number added to 2 to get 6? Now we have to subtract 2 from this 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to. Subtract 2 from this 6. 6, we have to remove 2. 1, 2. How many fingers left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2, we get 4. And this 4 should be added to 2. Then we get 6. 4 added to 2, we get 6. And here if we add dash to 4, we get 8. Dash plus 4 is equal to 8. Which number is added to 4 to get 8? For that we have to subtract 4 from this 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to how much, students? 8. We have to remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 should be added to 4. We get 8. Students, like this, using inverse method, we can fill these blanks. Have you understand, students? I hope you all are clear about today's class.